Hi, I'm Kelly Kay at iCarpetTiles.com, back with Stephanie. Now, Stephanie, carpet tiles have been really growing in popularity. Tell me about that.
Yes, they have. You know, in today's economy, carpet tiles are the perfect do-it-yourself flooring solution.
They're really versatile. Where do most people put carpet tiles?
They will use them in their basements, family rooms, theater rooms, exercise rooms, children's bedrooms, and offices.
We decided to use iCarpet tiles because in 2006 we had a flood. And when we went to replace the carpet, iCarpet tiles seemed a great alternative. We like the fact that they're easy to keep clean. They look wonderful. If we were to have water again, we'd be able to lift them, clean them, and put them back down. And they are very affordable.
Our prices start at 49 cents a square foot for our rainbow collection, up to $1.99 a square foot.
Stephanie, what are some of the most frequently asked questions about carpet tiles?
How to install them. We have step-by-step instructions on our website. You just use double-stick tape and sharp utility knife. If you're not up to the challenge, we can furnish you with professional installers' names.
Even interior designers are catching on to how great carpet tiles are.
They're discovering how they complement rooms. You can create a lot of visual interest.
I can do whatever I want to do with the 1,500 different tiles and colors and things like that. This is an example of a basket weave that we've put on this floor, but we can do so many things. We can make area rugs with borders around it. For a designer, it's wonderful.
We pride ourselves on our excellent customer service. We're here to assist our customers. Bring us your room sizes. We'll help you determine your square footage. We welcome you to bring in paint samples, upholstery samples, whatever will help you in determining what carpet tile will work best for you.
Find out how versatile, easy, and affordable carpet tiles can be. Call iCarpetTiles.com.
Stop by our warehouse or visit us on our website at iCarpetTiles.com.
She's Stephanie. I'm Kelly. Thanks for watching.